shaping this destiny.
I was on a plane to California. I had all the time I'd ever need. Did you even know I was looking for you? I think that I was hiding in between. How long, how long, how long did you wait for me? How long, how long, how long did you really need? I got in a cab when I first got here. Take me to the only place I know. Listen to the people that I found here. If you ever see her, let me know. How long, how long, how long did you wait for me? Oh yeah. How long, how long, how long did you really need? Standing in the hall 7 hours. Knew that I could.
A morning framed by golden sunlight. A morning.
Stateroom.
Close friends travel.
Nice big bed. Nightstands. Got a desk. Got a TV on the wall. A little mini fridge and a cabinet. And the best part, we have a balcony. Right now the view doesn't look too good, but it will. Neighbors. It's the same. It's our bathroom. Shower, toilet, sink. These, I think these are exactly the same on every cruise ship. There must be one place that makes these bathrooms. Hello.
Never wanting this to end, singing in the car and then our destination's here. Never wanting this to end, everything in perfect plan. Now let's ride. High expectations, great winds are blowing.
Bon voyage.